Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, back today with a little Dollar Tree haul and a few items from Michael's and something from the thrift shop. But first, I want to give a shout out to my friends at Dossier Perfume. Madison sent me this box with a bottle of Oriental Oak Moss, and let me read you the little card that comes with it. And a little card comes with every bottle of perfume and tells you what the top notes are, the middle notes, and the base notes. And this is bergamot, orange, peach, jasmine rose, oak moss, vanilla, and it is inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. It smells so good, y'all. So if you have a perfume lover or you love perfume, check out Dossier Perfume. They didn't sponsor this video, but they did send me this perfume free of charge, and y'all, it smells so good. And they have really great prices. I'll put a link to them in the description box, so check them out if you're interested in perfume. Okay, so now let's jump into the Dollar Tree haul. Okay, I got a mixed bag of stuff in here. Some craft stuff, household stuff. One or two new items I hadn't seen before. And as this is my big TJ Maxx bag, it was 99 cents, and it has a beautiful doggies on it. So I'm going to just turn it on the side here so I can get my stuff out. As always, I had to get my box of Kleenex, y'all. I suffer from allergies and sinus, so I'm always picking up Kleenex, and that's a great value. Even at $1.25, it is still well worth it. I picked up some of the 9-ounce plastic cups. I want to do some more paint pouring. I love to do it. I haven't really done it on camera for y'all that much. I didn't know if y'all would be that interested in it, but I love it, and I guess I'm going to share it with you. Maybe you'll love it too in the end, but I got those cups for that. And I'm really loving my press-on nails. I get these from Walmart. They're the Kiss, or not Kiss, the Impress press-on nails. They're like $5 or $6, and they stay on really well. So I picked up these stick-on strips from Dollar Tree to put a little design on my nail. So I'm going to try those out, and I'll let you know how they work out. I did pick up a roll of the Crafter Square vinyl, permanent vinyl. I'm going to give that a try for my Cricut. I'm really getting into doing a lot more Cricut stuff, and if y'all are interested, I'll share that with y'all too. But this is a really great price if it works, so I'm going to give it a try and see. I've seen some videos on it, and everybody seems to be well satisfied with it, so I'm going to give it a try. So I picked up the Good Sense Flap Tie 12 flap bags with the citron or lemon scent tall kitchen bags. I use these in my little trash can in my bathroom. They are really great. And I picked up some original super glue in the little bottles. This is great. I've been making jewelry, so I've been putting a little dab of glue on the elastic where I knot it so it doesn't come unraveled. And then I picked up two different kinds. I got the bottle and I got the squeeze type, but I am finding that the one that works best for me when I'm making the jewelry is the gel. But I couldn't find any gel when I was in there the other day, so I just picked up the regular one. So you just have to be really careful, because when you do a drop, it kind of spreads a lot, and with the gel stays together. So. And since I'm doing more Cricut stuff, I picked up the Crafter Square Craft Picker, so you can weed your vinyl. These are really great, and at $1.25, it is still 10 times less expensive than the Cricut one at Michael's. And I got two really cute signs. I can't really decide if I'm going to leave the sticks on here or take the sticks off and put them on some pots, or how I'm going to use these yet. But it says, all things grow with love, and then plant seeds of happiness, kindness, and love. So those are really cute. Okay, and then I got the 4-pack of the little plastic water trays to put below your pot, so they don't get on your, drip the water out and make a mess. And the rest of this is not really that exciting, but it's some of my It has some cute pots, and I picked up 2 different pots. I've got a little Easter craft to do with these pots, and I couldn't decide whether I like this textured one or the plain one, so we'll see which one works best. And I picked up some socks. I love Dollar Tree socks. I didn't have these in this color, this black and purple, black and gray, and then black and pink. And these are really nice, thin, breathable socks, so they're great to have. Oh, and then I got another pack of those little nail design things. And I picked up a t-shirt and this green ribbon. I was looking for the little twine carrots. I couldn't find any, so I'm going to try to make some of my own from these 2 items. So y'all will see that. And I picked up some pretty little pink iridescent beads to make some jewelry with. And I got the Crest Pro Health Clean Mint 2 times more free. This is 2.8 ounces. Pick that up. And then some anti-plaque mouthwash. And I was able to find some more of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Hair Mask 2-step process. I love these. I did a review of these. The only problem I have with it is I don't really like the smell that much of it. But once you rinse your hair and everything, you can't smell it anymore. But I thought it did a really great job on my hair. So I picked up 4, so I got enough for a month. So I try to do it like once a week. And of course I've got my dog poopy bags. Most of y'all know I have 4 dogs here. So these come in really, really handy. I picked up 2 pair of the Crafter Squares detail scissors. These are really great to have if you're cutting paper or little pieces of vinyl or elastic on jewelry. So I picked those up. And then they have these cute little laser cut keys. And I have a little craft that I'm making. It's sort of St. Patrick's Day, but not necessarily St. Patrick's Day. And I'll be using these little keys on it. And I got a cute little easel-backed whiteboard. That's really cute. And I picked up a compact with the eye on it. My sister's forever telling me this is Illuminati. She likes all that conspiracy stuff about the Illuminati. I don't really understand any of it, but she's forever telling me that people are part of the Illuminati. And I picked up one more black tablecloth for my wreath that I got coming up. Y'all need to stay tuned for that. It's one of my plastic tablecloth wreaths, and I'm going to be incorporating some bows on it. I'm going to use my bow maker that I got for Christmas, and I'll show you that. And I'm going to be cutting wood on my Cricut maker, so y'all stay tuned for that, because I was really excited to be able to cut the wood and make the sign to go on my wreath. So y'all stay tuned. That's coming up really, really soon. And then I bought some of these Jot 10-pack of book rings. I thought these would be good to make some little keychains with. So that's coming up too, y'all. I got so much planned. I'm feeling a little better now, so I'm making plans. I hope I get all these videos up. I really do. I did find one thing of the super glue gel, so picked that up for my jewelry. And then I got this deep moisture sheet mask for your hair. So I thought I would give that a try and then give y'all a review of that after I try it. So now I want to share with you what I got from Michael's. This was on like 90% clearance, 80% clearance, or 90%. I'm not sure. I can't remember right now. But they had this ribbon, which they were saying was Christmas, but this is for any time of the year as far as I'm concerned. So I picked up a roll of that. It was originally $14.99, so I got it for 80% off. And then I found these 2 great little dollhouse miniatures, and these were listed as Christmas, but it's just a cute little red lamp with a white shade and 2 little snowmen. So I thought these would be really cute in my dollhouse. So I picked those up. And then my sister and I went to Goodwill, and I grabbed this before she could see it. And now she wants me to make her something like it so she can have it. But it was this cute little picture or little art decor thing about sisters. So I'm going to see if I can duplicate this on a Dollar Tree canvas for her. So y'all be looking for that. But I just thought it was adorable, and it was well worth the 95 cents. So I picked that up. But anyway, y'all, that's my Dollar Tree haul. Thanks for joining me. I love that I can share this stuff with you. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.